Hi guys, so today we're going to be going over the structure of an antibody. I got this image off of Google. I just Googled antibody structure. So let's get started. I've already highlighted the terms VH, VL, CH, and CL. What these stand for are variable heavy, variable light, constant heavy, and constant light. And if we just focus on the terms variable and constant, what we'll notice is the variable are located on this region right here. These are known as the variable regions of an antibody, VH and VL. You will find both at the ends of an antibody, and the rest of the antibody is known as constant. Now, there is a difference between variable regions because we have variable heavy and variable light, as well as constant heavy and constant light. What we'll notice is both variable heavy and constant heavy are located on the longer chain, and variable light and constant light are located on the shorter chain. Now what's important to know is this region right here is the variable heavy region. Now the constant heavy region is this entire region right here, like this entire chain is known as the constant heavy chain. And for this side, variable light, this section right here is the variable light region, and right here is known as the constant light region. Now, two terms to know in reference to both variable and constant are the terms idiotypic and isotypic. So, idiotypic and isotypic. And idiotypic is associated with the variable regions of an antibody, and isotypic is associated with the constant regions of an antibody. So within each VL and VH region, there are three areas of hypervariability. They are called complementary determining regions, and they are located here, here, here. These only exist on the variable regions of an antibody. They're also, the short-term reference for these is CDRs. Complementary determining regions, and they're located on the variable region of an antibody. Now, if we look at the CH region, we will come across 5 major antibody types for this region. They are known as IgG, IgA, IgE, IgD, and IgM. IgG, IgA, IgE, IgD, and IgM. And what these stand for are Ig gamma, Ig alpha, Ig epsilon, Ig delta, and Ig mu. And these antibody types are located only on the constant heavy region of an antibody. In humans, for their antibodies, there are also subclasses. For example, if we look at IgG, which is Ig gamma, there are 4 known subclasses. So what we have is gamma 1, gamma 2, gamma 3, and gamma 4. There are also 2 known subclasses for alpha, so we have alpha 1 and alpha 2. Now, if we look at the S's on the antibody, there are SS bonds everywhere. These are known as disulfide bonds, and there are 2 types of disulfide bonds happening in an antibody. The first one is intracellular disulfide bond, the second one is intercellular disulfide bond. And the intracellular An easy way to remember this is intra means within. So all these disulfide bonds that are located within the antibody are known as intracellular. And the other disulfide bond is known as intercellular disulfide bond, which would be this bond, this bond, this bond. Those are known as intercellular disulfide bonds. So what I covered is pretty much the gist of an overview of what an antibody structure is and the locations of majority of the things. And thanks for watching. See you next video.